Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a default brand voice in your workspace. I'm going to show you how to set a default brand voice in the workspace of your Jasper AI. To get you started, first, you have to create your very own brand voice before you can make a default. Once you do have one, go and check over to the left of the homepage and tap into Jasper IQ. In here, you can find brand voice. Click into it to get you started. In here, all the brand voices that you have made will all be visible. Now, there is a key detail you have to remember about having a default brand voice. If we check here at the right and click onto these three dots, it'll show the option to be set as default. However, if we check here at the other one, you won't be able to do that because this brand voice is set to private. You can see that over here through the visibility section. So since this one is the only one that is set to public, I will set this as default. And now when you look over to the left, the scripter has now a default tag attached to it. And that's how to set a default brand voice in Jasper AI.